The roads didn't look like that a couple hours ago when I came in. Yeah, the snow was coming down hard in the overnight. We had a burst of snow come into Connecticut last evening with snowfall rates of 2, even 3 inches per hour, and it piled up. Western Connecticut bearing the brunt as expected with over 8 inches of snow in some areas. Meriden, Connecticut, one of those. And then in Western Massachusetts, 5.5 in Lenox. These numbers are still coming in because if you're up and watching this morning, send me your totals here because a lot of folks still sleeping. So we're trying to assess how much snow has fallen in the overnight, but just got an update from Brookline, 3.7 there. Lexington, nearly 3 at 2.8 and about 2.5 in East Randolph. I think a lot of us are going to end up between 2 and 4 inches of snow, but there will be some locally higher amounts here with some ocean effect for parts of Cape Ann and also the South Shore. And then as you add some elevation out through the Worcester Hills, could get a little over 4 to 6 possible with the highest totals as you saw out through Connecticut, especially the western part of Connecticut. So this storm is what is on our radar this morning. Snow is going to taper. It's going to become sunny today. It's just a cold day. That cold is going to play into our next weather threat, which is Sunday night. I see a setup here for some icing, sleet and freezing rain before an eventual change to rain on Monday. So your weekend itself, sun develops today and then that sun will fade away tomorrow as that next storm moves in for Sunday night. You can see the snow is over out in western Massachusetts, Connecticut now. The last of it here hugging the eastern part of our state down into Rhode Island. And the snow is becoming a lot more fragmented now. We do have a decent band, though, from Boston right along the pike all the way out toward Framingham, heading out toward Marlboro, Westboro area here. You can see it's a little bit lighter as you go up along Route 2, but still got some flakes flying here in the Merrimack Valley. Much more widespread here in southeastern Massachusetts from the South Shore all the way down to the South Coast, the Cape, the islands as well. But I draw your attention into some of these darker blues here right around the Plymouth area down toward Wareham. This is stretching back toward 44 as well. This is where the snow is going to linger longest. We've had slightly milder temperatures in the 20s, kind of meeting up with colder air with temperatures in the teens. There's a huge fluff factor with the snow. It is very fluffy, powdery, and light. It's going to be easy to clean up, but you're going to be doing that later on this morning. You can see some of the snow lingering here at 7 a.m. right along the coast, and it may take until mid-morning, 10 o'clock or so, particularly on the South Shore with some of these ocean-enhanced areas. That's why I think we could pop over 4 inches in a few of these spots. But you can see what happens. Clouds break, sun is out this afternoon, so this storm does pull away pretty quickly, and it will be quiet into tonight. So here's your 12-hour forecast showing you that snow over in Boston by 8 a.m. Clouds breaking for sunshine. Look at the temperatures, though. In the 20s this afternoon, a little closer to the freezing mark down on Cape Cod. Mostly clear, cold tonight. We're in the single digits and teens, some lower 20s on Cape Cod. And tomorrow, early sun and then clouds increase. It's not as cold tomorrow. We're actually above freezing in the mid and upper 30s, but that is still cold enough that as this next storm system comes in, it is going to be bringing a concern with some icing here. The potential as we get into Sunday night, into Monday here, that we see perhaps a 10th of an inch of ice, and that could be problematic. So take a look on Futurecast as we get into Sunday night. Here it comes after 8 p.m. spreading on in here. There will be some lingering areas of freezing rain near and north of Route 2 into Monday morning. And then we're going to see those temperatures bump up. We're actually going to end up close to 50 on Monday afternoon with rain. Behind that storm, strong winds on Tuesday. Going to watch for some gusts and perhaps near 50 miles per hour. Quieter for New Year's as we ring in the new year. Could be some flurries, especially on New Year's Day. Rondella?